In this video, we're going to return this MacBook M1 Air back to Apple. And the way Apple does it is they send you a box, and the box is pretty plain. There's nothing on it. You wonder what it's about. And then you tear it open. And then you look at the labels, and the labels provide a return address, etc. And it's addressed to you. I've covered that up. And you get to peel here. So the first thing we do is we go here and we peel this back. And now we have the shipment address. And I'll blur some of this out right here, where it provides the web order, etc. So this is ready to go into the trash. So the next step in this process is to get the MacBook Air M1 ready. This was a trade-in to get another machine. And I've reset this in an earlier video. And if we pop this open, we can see that it's factory reset. There's really nothing here that needs to be done. So I'm going to hold the power button down and get it to shut down. So close the box, put that aside, open this up. When you open it up, there's some sticky labels over here. Let's zoom out a little bit. Yeah, some sticky labels over here. Pop it open. And what we end up with, it looks like a place where you can put the laptop in. There is no sleeve as far as I can tell. That doesn't open up. That doesn't open up. This side, there's nothing to open. So we'll go ahead and put the MacBook M1 in here. Then we'll close both of these. That's a pretty snug grip. And then we'll bring the lid back up over. Flip it over. And we can see we have here the stickies. So I guess all I'm going to do is peel the sticky back and then tape it to the sides. So let's go ahead and do that. So let's peel the sticky back. Let's peel back. Now fold it over. Push it down. And come around the sides. Push that down. And push that down. When we get around to the corner, there's a little bit of a fold here. There's sticky on the other side, so we'll fold that sticky. And here, we'll fold that sticky. Now, if I've done this right, a little bit of debris here. Let's see if we can get that off. Doesn't want to come off. Okay, we'll leave that there. So now you have a packet that's pretty much sealed. And I validated the address it's going to, and now it's time to drop it off. I hope that helps you return your MacBook when you're ready to trade it in for another one. Thank you so much for watching.